Hi guys, good morning. So the day started with me picking up my clothes from outside that my washerwoman helped me wash. And look at my thighs, y'all. Ooh, working out is paying off. So I just had to pick these from outside, take them back into the room, and fold them up, and I got ready to really start my day. So I'm going to the market to get some things that I think I need in the house, just to stock up basically. This was the first store I entered, and I was amazed at just how many things they had in the store ready to go, right? And what really amazed me was this is so close to my house, guys, and I was contemplating ordering online and doing the expensive delivery fee to my place, but I could just walk and get the things that I needed. So I had been wanting to get this bathroom holder thingy for my soap and my other bathing items, like my shampoo for my hair, conditioner, and all of that. She was practically giving me items that were available, but I ended up picking the brown one. This light, is it bright?
Yeah, very bright.
Let me see, how much is it?
But it's using battery.
Oh, you can't charge it. Let me see. So it turns out this was very bright. Like, it was such a great choice, and for 10,000 naira, it was good. It came with a charger. It came with the phone holder that you could use to hold it to your phone. It had different color settings, lighting settings. I loved it. This store had a lot of things. I know you can peep the vibrator I just showed y'all. Guys, I have been seeing this toothpaste, but I'm so scared of buying it. How much is this toothpaste?
5,000.
They say this toothpaste is very
good.
but it's not very harsh, like the meat is too peppery.
If you don't want this white thing, you can just get the normal
The ordinary one. 5,000. Sure. Okay, we'll see. I was able to get this and this for my bathroom. I really liked this chopping board, and it was 7,000 naira surprisingly, so I was going to go back to get it, but I just wanted y'all to see how pretty it is. This store, I'm definitely going back without a question. They had resistant bands. They had a lot of things, like from kitchen items to normal fans, like rechargeable handy fans, even more lighting, and I was just super impressed. This was me feeling very happy, and I think I'm still going to come back to buy this sticky mirror. But on my way back home, I saw these plantains, guys. I am a sucker for plantains, and so I decided to buy. This is also very close to my house. She sells like a lot of canned items, cheaper than what you get at the store or supermarket. And that is the reason why I made my purchase. I think everything I spent was less than 10,000 naira. You know what I'm saying? I got sardines, I got some Indomie noodles, and eggs as well. This was the most exciting part, me taking out the items that I got, and just actually looking at them, seeing them, and pasting them on my bathroom wall. But of course, I had to inspect to see if everything was okay, if everything was good. You know what I mean? You got to do these things. Guys, what is your opinion on the color of this? I really liked it because it was brown, and not just like a boring wakwada brown. It's a pretty glassy or glossy brown, and it has something to catch the water when you shower with your wet hands and you put the soap back into the container, so there's no water dripping anywhere. You just have to do the systematic draining every once in a while, right? But yeah, I really like this. I don't know what it is, but tearing this nylon was just like very therapeutic for me, and I feel like I'm not the only one. I feel like as women, we love to remove an item from its packaging. There's something just so interesting about it. I don't know, but this was such an interesting buy because It is strong. You can see me trying to bend it. It is strong. I got it for 7,000. It comes with 2 sticky things that you can attach it to your bathroom walls. Now back to my light, my very beautiful light. I was so excited for this light because I had wanted something that was small and portable that could fit into my purse and still give me, light. So these were the things that it came with. It did not even come with a direction, guys. Can it be I did not go to school like this? Will I know how to own this thing? But of course I figured it out, and I think it is so pretty. Look at it. Ooh, I was so excited, like you could tell. And this was not even the brightest yet too. This was not even the brightest yet. I was just feeling myself with it, and of course I like how it came out. It took me no time to figure out how to connect the charger and the phone holder to the light, so this can be done by anybody at all, okay, period. Welcome to my bathroom. I just want to show you how this is sitting really pretty, but I want to do it with like this. I want to show you just how bright this is. This is the normal lighting, the least of it all, and it goes brighter. Y'all see that? It's still going on. This is the brightest. Can you see how pretty this is? Hell no. I did this brand is sick. And on top of that, it could do so many colors. Look at that. You have this, you have that. Like, come on. Isn't this pretty? Look at this. This is just doing some magic, right? So this is the soap can as well. Guys, all of these things will be linked down in the description box so you can make your own purchase. Bye.